Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how we can make chicken Kadai using an easy method. This delicious dish is perfect for a weeknight meal and comes together in under 45 minutes. We will use simple, fresh ingredients to create a rich and flavorful curry that everyone will love. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this fantastic recipe. It's truly a crowd pleaser. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for cooking. First, cut your chicken into uniform 1-inch pieces. This ensures everything cooks evenly. Next, dice your bell peppers and onions into medium-sized chunks, about 1/2 inch. Mince your fresh ginger and garlic very finely to create a smooth paste. Finally, chop your ripe tomatoes and fresh cilantro, setting them aside for when they are needed. Let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a Kadai or large pan. Sauté the diced onions and ginger garlic paste until they become fragrant, about 3 minutes. Add the chicken pieces and cook them until they change color, which takes around 5 minutes. Now, stir in your chopped tomatoes, all the spices, and a 1/4 cup of water. Simmer this mixture for 20 minutes, then incorporate the bell peppers and fresh cream. We are almost there. Continue to cook the Kadai for another 5 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken to your desired consistency. Once it's perfect, remove it from the heat. Garnish generously with plenty of fresh cilantro and a refreshing squeeze of lime juice. Serve this aromatic chicken Kadai hot with warm naan bread, soft roti, or fluffy steamed rice. Enjoy your incredible homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.